It's your boy Jalen Barber at Top of the Line Barber School. Today we're going to show you how to do a mid-taper. First thing first, you want to comb down the hair. Then you want to brush down into the pattern the hair grows. Make sure you get an even cut. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the guideline. We're gonna make sure you always brush down the hair. Second step, what you want to do is you want to go about 1/2 inch with no guard, lever open. Next step, you want to close your guard halfway and go up halfway. All right, now what we want to do is you want to close your lever all the way to knock out that first guideline you made with your trimmers. And lightly touch that guideline to knock it out all the way. Next step, you want to grab your one guard. Make sure you brush down that hair after you finish doing that first guideline. You want to go up halfway, 1/2 inch. Next step, what you want to do is you want to grab your half guard. And you want to go up about halfway right here. Lightly touch that line. But what you want to do is you want to open your lever all the way up. Brush those hairs down. Now what you want to do is you want to close your lever halfway and lightly touch that bottom line to make an even blend. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch back to our one guard. Make sure you brush those hairs down. We're gonna go back over that first guideline that we made. You wanna brush those hairs back down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close the lever halfway, go up about 1/2 inch on that guideline we made. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close it all the way up to get that even blend. Now what we want to do is grab your 1.5 guard. Make sure you comb those hairs down. And go about half an inch again. Brush those hairs back down. And close your lever all the way. And lightly touch that line. Now what you want to do is grab your 2 guard. Comb the hairs out. But on this step, what you want to do is you want to flick out to give it that nice shape. We're going to go open. Close it all the way and hit that line right there and make sure that blend is all the way even. Now we're just gonna do a little detail work to make sure the blend is on point. Now what we want to do is come to the side, brush those hairs down. You're going to grab your Babyliss FX or whatever trimmer you use. You want to start right up here so it can give it that nice crisp line. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to grab our foil shaver. And we are using a mid taper, so I'm going to show you where we're going to start our guideline at. Mid taper, I like to start my guidelines like this just to give it a nice blend. I'm gonna go up about half an inch, the lever open. Now you want to close your lever halfway. Brush down the light hairs. We'll go about halfway up. And to completely knock out that line, you want to close your lever all the way closed. Brush those hairs down. and lightly touch that guideline. Now what we want to do is we're going to go about half an inch, I want to say, about half an inch. Now what you want to do is grab your half guard, go about half an inch. I'm going to close your guard halfway. Now what you want to do is close the lever all the way and touch that bottom line to get an even blend. Now what we want to do is we can go back to our one guard, close it all the way, knock out that bottom line right there. Now what we want to do is grab a comb out those hairs. Now we're going to grab a 1.5 guard. Now what we're going to do is close the lever all the way. Hit that bottom line right there to get an even blend. Now what you want to do is grab your 2 guard, go up and flick out to give it that nice shape. Now we're going to do our detail work. Flip over comb to even it all the way out. Same steps on the other side. Now what we're going to do is going to spray a little holding spray just to lock the hair down. Make sure you get an even edge up. What we're going to do now is brush down the hairs. Alright, now we're going to enhance them up. y'all feel about it? How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good, man. I need to go find a little girlfriend or something, man. Look at you.
Hey, feel me?